Hey guys, Sean here with Aftermarket 4x4. We're going to be working on the white Geo Tracker again. It's my V6 swap Geo Tracker. And today we're going to be installing one of the new Aftermarket 4x4 gas tank skid plates. That'd be this baby right here. Heavy duty. So strong, you can jack up the back of your vehicle with it. No problem at all. All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to install it in just maybe 2 to 3 minutes max. Last time, I know, I was going at it and I decided to myself, I'm going to install a front skid plate in a minute. And I think it took me like 1 minute and 45 seconds, but still, it's still not bad. Anyway, simple stuff. These things weigh about 30 pounds. Not too bad, right? Very heavy 10 gauge steel. Pretty much just start by sliding on under. Any lifted vehicle doesn't even have to be jacked up. You can just slide on under. We'll remove the gas tank skid first. It's only 5 bolts, 4 14 millimeters and 1 12 millimeter. That's the old flimsy gas tank skid plate right there. Garbage, gone. Yeah, you heard it, it's gone. We got the new Aftermarket 4x4 skid plate going on in its place. Fairly simple. Typically just, hold it up with your knees. Pre-start each of the bolts. Start the last bolt. And that's it. Literally, like 2 to 3 minutes, you could have an Aftermarket 4x4 skid plate installed in your rig. Matter of fact, you buy it from me in an event like Zuwari or Suzuki Melt, I will deliver it for free and I'll even install it for you, depending on how much rust you have on your vehicle. Anyway, y'all need to order, give me a call. Info at aftermarket4x4.com. Website, aftermarket4x4.com. Come on down, buy some good products. Made in USA. Bye.